Meaning of fetal.
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 Fetal. Fetal is an adjective that relates to or refers to a fetus, which is the developing offspring of a vertebrate, particularly mammals, from the end of the embryonic stage until birth. The term is often used in medical contexts to describe conditions, characteristics, or measurements related to a developing fetus during pregnancy. Fetal development is a complex and critical process that involves rapid growth and differentiation of cells and tissues to form organs and systems. Proper care and monitoring during pregnancy can help ensure the best possible outcomes for fetal health and development.